A shopkeeper gives three consecutive discounts of 10%, 15%, and 15%, after which he sells his goods at a percentage profit of 30.05% on the CP. Find the value of the percentage profit that the shopkeeper would have earned if he had given discounts of 10% and 15% only. Now, let's try and solve this question. Now, let's assume the cost price to be 100. Now, after the three discounts, the shopkeeper is earning a profit of 30.05%. So we can say that the final selling price is 130.05. Now, whenever discounts are there and you are given selling price, that means the discounts are applied on the marked price. To get that, we can use the formula selling price is equal to marked price into multiplier. Now, the number of multipliers depends on the number of discounts. Over here, you have three discounts. So we can use three multipliers M1, M2, and M3. Now, these are discounts. So conceptually, they are similar to percentage reduction. So discount percentage multiplier is 1 minus the fraction equivalent of the percentage. Okay. So therefore, in this case, M1 will become 1 minus 1 by 10, that is 9 by 10. M2 will become 1 minus 15 by 100. So that becomes 85 by 100. We can reduce it to 17 by 20 as well. Now, M3 will also be the same thing because it's also 15%. So therefore, now we can find out the marked price. So selling price is given to us as 130.05 is equal to marked price into multiplier 1 is 9 by 10 and multiplier 2 and 3 are 17 by 20. Now let's not waste time in finding out just complete marked price because that's not exactly we have been asked. We have been asked the final profit percentage. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll bring all these fractions on the other side and keep it as the marked price. So marked price, we can say it is 130.05 multiplied by 10 into 20 into 20 upon 9 into 17 into 70. Okay. So this is our marked price. Now we can use the same formula again, but now we have only two discounts. Okay. And selling price, that's what we have to find out. So selling price equal to marked price. That means this one. So 130.05 into 10 into 20 into 20 upon 9 into 17 into 70 multiplied by. Now 10% discount. That means it will become multiplier 1 is again 9 by 10. Multiplier 2 will be 17 by 20. So 9 gets cancelled, 10 gets cancelled, 120 gets cancelled, and 117 gets cancelled. So now let's solve this. Selling price equal to 130.05 divided by 70. So if we divide this, This comes out to be 7.65. Okay, so 7.65 multiplied by 20. So selling price comes out as 153. Now our cost price is 100 rupees. Selling price is coming out to be 153. That means profit is equal to 53. And because the cost price is 100, profit percentage will also be equal to 53 itself. So option A will be our answer.